So this is the way how to operate this Lebensstil range cooker. The oven panels is here, so you can see 3 buttons here. So first, when you turn on the main power already, so you have to set the time for the range cooker first. So example, how you going to set? So you just press and hold this minus and plus button, press two together. Then after that you can select the, you can set the time for the range cooker already. So example right now is 12:25. So once confirmed, I press one time again. So this will be set into the oven. So let's say we want to set any pre-cooked program, we have to use this timer. So example, if let's say we want just manual cook only, so you turn the function oven, the function knob for the range cooker first, then select the temperature you want. So once you select the program already and the temperature, you just press the M button only. So this one will just manual only. So manual, which mean you have to monitor the time lah. So which mean like you want manual cook for 30 minutes, so you manual you control yourself. After 30 minutes you come back again, you off the machine. So example, if let's say you want to set a cooking time for the program. So if let's say cooking time, you just press one time, press second time, you will see on the screen just now DUR, duration. So example, this dish I want to come back again, okay, duration. This dish I want to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so you just leave it like that. So with this program of the oven, this temperature, the program will auto run for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the machine will beep. Then the oven will automatically stop lah. Okay, so this is how we control the cooking duration. So one more program for the oven is you can set the end time for the dish you set. So example right now is 12:26. 12:27. So I want the dish get ready on 1 p.m. So the cooking time is 10 minutes. So how I gonna to set this program? So come again, I do like this, I reset back. So duration I set 10 minutes. Then I want press one more time end time. So I want it my dish will be ready on 1 o'clock. So I just leave it. Okay, so right now the program is set already. My food will get ready on 1 p.m. Okay, the cooking time will be 10 minutes. So which means the oven will automatically start cook this dish on 12:50, then will end on 1 p.m. Yeah, this is the way how to operate the machine. Actually, it's very easy. So there's 3 mode only lah. The first one will be manual, which means you just press M only. So the oven will run until you off the machine. The second program is you press 2 times M, is to control the duration. So which means like let's say the dish I want to cook for 10 minutes. So I press 2 times M, then I press plus button to 10 minutes. So the dish will continue cook for 10 minutes only lah. So the third program is we can set the end time for the dish. So which means like just now I said the dish I want to cook for 10 minutes, then I want the dish will be ready on 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. So right now is 12:28 ma. So I can set 10 minutes for the dish. Then after that I press 3 times this one. I press 3 times, you will see the end. So you set the end time, like just now I mentioned, is 1 o'clock. So they will cook, then get ready in 1 o'clock. Okay, so that's all for the program. How to operate this control panel. So all these function you refer back to the the recipe book lah. So you can get all the recipe book from those bookstore popular or that lah. So they will guideline to you what dish, what program to use, what temperature to use. So it's very easy. So on the right hand side you can see all the knobs to control the top, the fire frame for top lah. Okay, so that's all for the range cooker control panel.